By connecting flights from Auckland to New York, Air New Zealand has recently accomplished another significant feat. It took this aircraft over 16 hours to get there. The Dreamliner Boeing 787 is used to fly it. The airline's post-pandemic recovery has been greatly aided by the March debut of Flight New Zealand 2, which was first announced. In around 17.5 hours, its buddy takes the opposite flight path from JFK to Auckland. Onboard meals were provided during the flight with special menus featuring popular Air New Zealand products, such as wines and meat, including the airline's first serving of paua saucisson. One of the most modern airplanes, the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner, is constructed of composite materials for long-haul flights with increased comfort. Additionally, business class and economy seats on Air New Zealand featured a unique seat design. For better connection, the majority of airlines started providing long-haul flights for travelers. It already exists among competitors who are successful in business. The Airbus A350 aircraft is used to carry passengers on Singapore Airlines' two longest flights, which take 18 hours to complete and cover 9,534 miles between Singapore and New York JFK and Singapore and Newark International Airport. Additionally, Qantas has the eagerly awaited Project Sunrise that connects Australia to the cities of New York and London. It flew an experiment last year with two different planes, a Boeing 787 and an Airbus A350, from Australia to London. Additionally, it chose an Airbus A350 for the long voyage. This may soon be added to a list of other long-distance flight competitions. Once it begins running this route, Air New Zealand will be in fourth place in the world to operate longest route network. Further low passenger and baggage loads during the first flight test for long-haul aircraft ensure better comfort and less fuel usage. Most of the airlines is ready to fly new generation aircraft, such as the twin-engine Airbus A350 and Boeing 787 Dreamliners, which are better suited to such lengthy flights. Airlines also make sure that flights are directed in accordance with the wind and a particular aeronautical zone to improve connection and shorten travel times. It is important to evaluate the health and well-being of all passengers before boarding a long-distance flight. Additionally, long-distance flights may offer extra legroom for stretching out the legs and serve meal combinations that are comfortable for digestion. Due to Air New Zealand's close partnership with United Airlines, passengers who desire to travel further afield during a layover in New York can connect to domestic locations within the US, Canada, and the UK. Air New Zealand's can connect broad network of alliances. Customers may now book direct flights from New York to Frankfurt, Munich, Zurich, Vienna, Brussels, Helsinki, Copenhagen, and Stockholm. Tell us about your experience on the Air New Zealand journey and your preferred method of long-haul travel. Please explain in the comments section.